High in Bulgaria's Rila mountains, hundreds gather to welcome what they call the Divine New Year. This is Paneurhythmy, a dance-like ritual performed by followers of the Universal White Brotherhood, an esoteric spiritual movement founded in the early 20th century. Peter Deunov, a Bulgarian philosopher and spiritual teacher, founded the group in 1900. He first called it the chain of divine love, a vision to unite people in harmony and mutual respect. Later, it became known as the Universal White Brotherhood, a symbol of spiritual brotherhood, freedom, and unconditional acceptance.
Bulgarian musician Svetoslav Kostov said, "At the beginning of the 20th century, in 1900, Peter Deunov founded a society called the Chain of Divine Love to organize people to manifest this love. Later, since he considered brotherhood as an ideal, where we are all equal, where everyone helps the other, where one gives freedom to the other and accepts him as he is, he later named this society the White Brotherhood."
Participants say this isn't just a ritual, it's a spiritual offering, a way to share their energy with the world in peace.
There are people who go to protest. I say to myself, this will be my civic service. I can give the world my energy to make it a better and more beautiful place.
There is information about the movement in all languages, and people come from everywhere, from Spain, Italy, Russia, Germany, France. People come from all over the world. Once you feel it, there is no turning back.